Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and the question is p having a value under root 7 plus under root 5. It means that this p when will equal to this value, it will be equal to 2 into under root 7 minus under root 5, which is a given equation. And our required equation is when we replace this value with 2, how we will get the value for this expression. So in order to solve this question, in the first step we should take the given equation and we will multiply and divide on the right side of the equation with under root 7 plus under root 5, and as a result we will get 2 will remain same. We will apply the a square minus b square formula on this expression because we can see that these both of these values having the same value but both have the difference in sign, and we can apply the a square minus b square formula on this expression, or we can say that when we multiply with both of these values, as a result we will get under root 7 square minus under root 5 square in the numerator, and in denominator we will get under root 7 plus under root 5. Now in the next step we should simplify this expression, as this square will cancel out this root and this 7 will come out from the root, minus will remain same, this square will cancel out this root and this 5 will come out from the root, and this 2 will remain same, denominator will remain same. In the next step we should simplify the whole expression, and as a result we will get 7 minus 5 will be equal to 2, and that 2 and this 2 will multiply together and we will get 4. It means that this whole value will be equal to 4 after simplification. This 7 plus under root 7 plus under root 5 will remain same in the denominator. As I told you, when we replace this value with 2, how we will get the value for this expression. So when we replace here this value with 2, because this is the value is a given value, and now we will move to the required value. It means that we will replace this value with our required value, which is 2. It means that this value will replace this 2. In the same way, when this value will replace 2, this value automatically replaced with 2, and as a result we will get P2 equal to 4 over 2, because this is a given value and our required value is 2. So when we will replace under root 7 plus under root 5 with 2, automatically whole equation where we should get this value will replace with 2, and as a result this whole expression will be converted into P2 equal to 4 over 2. This 4 and this 2 will cancel out or divide. This 4 will be divided with this 2, and as a result we will get 2, and this is the answer for this expression, and P2 will be equal to 2, and this is our required answer. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.